Alright guys, today I am doing a review of this butter squash gnocchi. It was on sale, as you can see. And check this out. Here's the front, here's the back. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. So it has potatoes and rich wheat, butternut squash, and it says sea salt whole egg. So there's egg in there. And beware of that. And it says may contain milk, but you know, it may, so it may not. So alright, let's cook this up. I'll be back. Alright guys, so here it is, the gnocchi all cooked up. So let's do a quick taste test. There it is. It has the aroma of butternut on it. Oh yeah, there's a nice taste of butternut squash on it. It's basically a lot of flavor with the butternut. But this texture is just like a regular gnocchi. It's just subtly sweet, that's all. Definitely check it out guys, and request comments, subscribe to the channel.